welcome to Roblox, the best place to teach your children and enjoy. There are many games for kids to play, like Blox Fruits, Jailbreak, and there are currency called Robux. To get it, you need to purchase real money. We also release Robux gift cards in store, like Walmart, 7-Eleven, Amazon, and more. Nextly, we introduce you, Roblox Studio, a place where you can make your own game. If you want to make your own game, you need to have skill of coding and modeling. Talking about coding, we use Lua to relatively simple to integrate with other programming languages. We also made an age rate, starting with all ages, all the way to 17. Games that use everyone rating are Adopt Me, Brookhaven, and Murder. There are also creating games, like Piggy, where you can make your own maps, and Obby Creator, where you can make your own obstacle courses. There is also a marketplace. This is the place where you spend your Robux. The items are made by other users. We call it UGC, user generated.
We keep trying to tell you. We're under you. Come find us.
What were you thinking, allowing a profile to be built on top of the code that hides the ban lands?
Relax. As soon as we can find a way to fully ban this player, the skin and profile can be taken down.
How will you know it won't be too late? Facility 4 was already taken down after a player escaped from a game in this profile.
as long as Smile knows not of the whereabouts and the reason why many facilities are built in this profile, we are safe and the Badlands is secure.
And the recent NIST glitches? Too many players come across NIST trying to glitch their way into the Crossroads servers next door.
We'll keep resetting the servers until one who finds is falsely banned. The location of the Badlands is secure.
I never expected to see a player yet. How did you get here? How did you get to the entrance to Roblox's Badlands? To have entered here, a player must have built a game directly above this wretched place, and you have glitched your way inside. My name is Lezus, and I've been rotting here for years, along with others locked up, failing our great creator, who we promised to help keep the metaverse happy. Us, the loyal servants, remain here, stuck with our data and our dreams, while other unloyals like the Smiles family live in fame and glory. I can feel the code of the game you came from, and I'm going to revenge has struck. Something is approaching.
Lezus, I hear you.
Okay, guys, we might have possibly the worst Roblox news in a very long time.
Old Roblox, was it better, or was I just way happier when I was a kid, and now all the realities of life are just striking me all at once?
I'm sure we all know by now that Roblox has had a history of releasing really terrible and stupid updates onto the platform.